Hey, while I got you guys here for a minute, let's say a couple things real quick. Last couple days, talk about having fun. That all this stuff's going to continue, right? Flip side of that is, this is a really cool showcase, right? So go out there and bust your butts. There's going to be people here watching. You never know. Coach Balson pitched in college. I pitched in college. Stuff like that. You get people out here that are watching. They're going to watch you hustling. They're going to watch your effort, watch your attitude, right? It's an opportunity to show off a little bit. We got to do it the right way, okay? When we're out there playing the game, if kids are taking 15-step leads and you're playing shortstop and he's chatting to you, get them out. Throw them out. Make the play. You got guys that can catch the ball on this team, right? Be aggressive with the plays we're making. Same thing in the field, right? If you got an extra base, outfielder throws the ball, misses a cutoff, we got to take the extra base, all right? That's all things that you guys can control, right? So we're going to still have fun. Let's play hard and show people what we can do too, right?